finally stopped raining.
Oh, have we had some rain over the past couple of weeks? Like, how beautiful is that? The plumber's booked in for Friday, I think. So you're coming in, freestanding bath. I think the shower screen guy is due soon to measure up for the screen. I start on a job tomorrow. It's all a floor, tiles going over tiles. They're all plank tiles. So have a look and you'll see how that's done. But at the moment, we'll just get this done. I'll pick up some material that I need for my job tomorrow on the way home. So you pull out your trusty finger just to, sometimes when you stop and start, you can get a slight lump in your silicone. Well, with that trusty sucker that you never lose, you just smooth it out. Whooshka. A lot of people are into their black surrounds and black fittings. These days. I'll do that shortly. Where are we now? Where are we up to? What page? Get another one. Got something in there. We'll just remove it. Oh, it's a plastic. That's cool. Shove it in there under the tile. It's not going anywhere. Don't be afraid to buy a good silicone though. Like I always use a good silicone. If it costs a few more dollars a tube, don't worry about it. Just do it. Get it. Something there. Okay, I'll see you soon. Well, that's another bathroom finished, folks. And a toilet, we've done a toilet in there. The tiles on the back wall where the cistern is going, we've tiled that, and a skirting tile on the rest. Yeah, so subscribe to my channel and you'll see more. Goodbye.